Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine and a very warm welcome to the new lesson, that is Objective Resolution 1949, which is from chapter number 4, History of Pakistan 1. I hope you are all doing your all the assignments actively and there is no ambiguity regarding any concept. The objectives of the lessons are: first of all, we will define objective resolution. What is the meaning of objective resolution? Why it is called objective resolution? What was the perspective of objective resolution? What are the important points of the objective resolution? What is the work of objective resolution for future constitution? And in the last, we will analyze the important points of objective resolution for future constitution as well. Yes, objective resolution, which is presented in 1949, actual date is on March 12, 1949. The Constituent Assembly adopted a resolution moved by Liaquat Ali Khan. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan at that time. It was called the Objective Resolution. This resolution occupied prime importance in the formulation of Constitution. Actually, the Objective Resolution consisted of 22 points, but the main points of the objective resolution we are going to discuss now. When we will discuss the objective resolution, we will do discussion that two topics for objective resolution. First one is that what are the salient features of the objective resolution. Number two, what is the work and or the importance of objective resolution in Pakistan political and constitutional history. The objective resolution, the main purpose of this resolution is to formulate the future constitution, because when Pakistan came into being, there was no constitution at that time. With some modification, the Government of India Act 1935 was enforced in Pakistan as well as in India. But the objective resolution was presented by Liaquat Ali Khan. Actually, this was the roadmap to formulate the new constitution for the newborn country. This resolution was moved in the Constituent Assembly, which is the first Constituent Assembly at that time, by Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan, and the Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister, and it was passed on March 12, 1949. Student, it's a very important, very important MCQ as far as your board exams are concerned. It specified the objectives and important features of the future of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The main and the foremost point of the objective resolution is the sovereignty. Objective resolution categorically states the sovereignty all over the world belongs to Allah Almighty. Power is the trust with the people and it is to be exercised within its prescribed limits by the elected representatives of the people. It laid down that in Pakistan, Islamic values, democracy, equality, fraternity, freedom of expression, tolerance, and social justice, which are the quality of Islam, would be exercised. When we will talk about the principles of democracy, freedom, equality, tolerance, and social justice as enunciated by Islam, will be fully observed in the objective resolution, wherein the Muslims shall be enabled to organize their lives in accordance with the teaching and requirement of Islam as set out in the Quran and Sunnah. It was affirmed that an adequate environment would be provided to enable the Muslims to lead their individual and collective lives according to the basic principles of Islam. The Constituent Assembly representing the people of Pakistan resolves to frame a constitution for the sovereign independent state of Pakistan, wherein the state shall exercise its power through the representatives of the people, and it will be assured that the fundamental rights would be given or guaranteed by the Constitution. As the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan stated in the objective resolution and the approval of the objective resolution as the most important occasion in the life of this country, next in importance only to the achievement of independent state. Actually, the objective to pass the objective resolution was also the main achievement of that time. The basic document of the constitution history of Pakistan is consist of objective resolution, categorically provided ideological foundation to the future constitution making, because as I told you in the beginning that we have no constitution in the when Pakistan came into being, but with some modification, Government of India Act 1935 was exercised. So, in order to make our own constitution, the objective resolution has prime importance. Objective resolution was also consist of in all the preamble of all the constitution, preamble of all the constitution in Pakistan, in the constituent history of Pakistan, annex of the existing constitution of Pakistan by virtue of Article 2A of the constitution. According to the 1949 objective resolution, it was mentioned in the objective resolution that source of law in Pakistan is Holy Quran and Sunnah. It was found that judiciary should be free from all pressure and would be work independently. Now, in the last, we are going to do the recap. So, in order to make our concepts clear, importance of objective resolution can be summarized. People felt a relief on the passing of the resolution and realized that the formation of constitution would be according to their desires and wishes, because Pakistan was achieved according to the people's desire. After the approval of objective resolution, the process of the formation of constitution started. It was a very bold step which is taken by the administration of that time. A committee to draft the constitution was formed. It was again a big step. It removed all the hurdles in the way of making the constitution. It laid on the basis of the constitution. Objective resolution was incorporated in all the constitution made in Pakistan as a preamble. It was made a part of the constitution of 1973 by making an amendment in 1985.